pranayama practice breathing exercise, lion's breath. And right now, because we're in the middle of a global pandemic, you're not allowed to breathe this forcefully anywhere. But if you're at home, you can do this and it's a big release. So tuck your toes under and sit back on your heels and take your knees a little wide. You can do this in whatever seated position you want to do it in, but I like to do it from here. Place your hands on the floor ahead of you, fingertips, or right down to palms, or even, and here's a nice option to get a little wrist stretch as well. Turn your fingers around. Now this is going to feel pretty supported. Leaning forward. Take a big breath in through your nose, and when you exhale, you're going to stick your tongue right out, cross your eyes, and look up. It looks like this. Let it all go. What a great release. I hope you give it a try. If you have any questions, let me know.